Hello everyone, this is Manali. Welcome to my channel, Miss Curl. So I did a lot of shopping from Nykaa. Okay, I know the Pink Friday sale was going on Nykaa, but I couldn't take advantage of that sale because my family was out of town and there was no one to take deliveries. So after Pink Friday sale, there are some discounts are going on Nykaa. So I took advantage of those discounts and I did some shopping. So in this video, I'm going to show you all those products I bought from Nykaa. Also, I bought some products from Kiko Milano. I mean from Nykaa only, but the brand was Kiko Milano. So I'm going to review those products also in this video. So let's start. So the first category is skincare. I bought 3 products in skincare. One is moisturizer and 2 are sunscreen. So in moisturizer, I bought this Minimalistics Oats moisturizer. This is the first time I am about to use this product, this moisturizer, and honestly I'm very excited. Ooh, look at the packaging. There is one more box inside the box. Okay, this is how the tub look like. Okay, I will put the prices of all these products down here because I really don't remember the prices of these products, but all the products were on discount. I remember that. I don't know, I mean there is not much of the fragrance in this moisturizer, which is a good point. This feels really nice. I'm very excited to use this moisturizer. I think I will like this moisturizer. Okay, so a big yes from me for this moisturizer. The next product is this Lakme's sunscreen. I've been using this sunscreen for like 5 to 6 years and I'm loving this. This is SPF 50 and I'm really liking this product. So I already am using the Lakme's sunscreen and this is the backup. The next product is this Lotus sunscreen. This is the first time I have tried this sunscreen and honestly I don't like it. I mean whenever I apply it on my face and after some time when I'm rubbing my face or I'm touching my face, it just balls up on my skin and honestly this feels really uncomfortable. So I don't think I will continue using this. So big no for me from this Lotus sunscreen. This is also SPF 50. Sorry. Okay, this is also SPF 50. Okay, the next category is hair care. In hair care, I have only one product, which is this Plum's hair mask. Okay, this is the avocado hair mask and I have been using this hair mask for like 2 years now, and it's been 3 years I have been using sulfate free and silicone free products on my hair. So and this hair mask is sulfate free, silicone free and paraben free. So if you're someone who wants to go sulfate free and silicone free on your hair, just try. That's my baby, sorry. So try this product and I have been loving this product. It's make my hair super soft and so if you're someone who is trying to use silicone free and sulfate free products on your hair, you can try this. This makes your hair really soft, and if you have curly hair, if you have dry hair, you should use hair mask once in a week on your hair. So try this hair mask, it's really good. And yeah, I also have one more tub. I mean I have ordered one more tub from Plum, this same hair mask. I have been using this, so it's in my bathroom, so I'm showing this one. This is the backup. So the next category is body care. In body care, I have 2 products. One is body lotion and second is a deodorant. So in body lotion, I always like to go old school. So this is the body lotion I use. This is Vaseline's Intensive Care Deep Moisture, and I've been using these products from college or school. I don't even remember. So in every winter I buy tubs of this product, I mean tubs of this Vaseline Deep Moisture, and I have a very dry skin, so I will need like 2 of these bottles to sustain this winter. So yeah, this is the body lotion I use. So next product is this Plum's deodorant. Okay, it's been few years I have stopped using deodorant on my body. I have always used perfumes or body mist to spray it on my clothes. I don't use it on my body. I mean, I spray perfumes on my pulse point, like behind my ears or on my wrist somewhere, but not on my underarms. But when I was surfing on Nykaa, I came across this deodorant and I thought, let's give it a try. So when I read the description, I saw it's sulfate free, silicone free, and this deodorant is vegan, it's cruelty free. Also, it doesn't have aluminum in it. So I thought, let's give it a try, and I bought it. I haven't used it yet, so this is the first time I'll be opening this package. Actually, I'm little bit scared to use it on my underarms, but let's see how it works. Ooh, such a cute packaging. It's also have a little spatula to scoop the product. That's cute. This is how the container looks. Okay, and the variant is Hawaiian Rumba. So this is the bottle, has this little paper on the top. It smells really nice. Okay, honestly I'm little bit nervous to use it on my underarms, but I'm also excited. So let's see how it works. It smells really nice. Now let's come to makeup. Okay, in makeup I have bought some of the products. Okay, let's start. The first product is this Nykaa's eyeliner. Okay, I have removed packaging of this product, all these makeup products. So this is how the the eyeliner looks like. This is in color black, and I have used it quite a few times after I purchased it. I really like it. Now also I have applied this eyeliner, and the color is really good. See, it's really nice, but I think the container is very small. I mean, this is how much, this is the size of the container, and so this is how much the product we get. Okay, but I apply very smoothly and the color is really nice. The next product is brow pencil. So this is also from Nykaa. So this is the brow pencil I bought, and this is in the color brown. Okay, so at the one end there is a brush, and the other end there is a retractable pencil, like so. So this is the second makeup product. Okay, the third makeup product I bought is this Plum's Kajal. I love Plum's Kajal. In one of my in one of my video where I have done the natural makeup look, I use this pencil, and I have been using this pencil for quite a few years, and I've been loving this. I haven't changed my Kajal pencil since I've started using this Kajal pencil. And okay, the only con of this pencil is that it need to be sharpened. It is not retractable, but the sharpener comes along with the pencil, and it's really nice. If you're a Kajal girl, just go for this one. It's really nice. Okay, next product is this Just Herbs lip and cheek tint. It is in the color pink. pale pink. It is in the color pale pink. The number is 03, and this is how the product look like. It is a really small container, but it is very pigmented. I have applied it on my cheeks now, here on my cheeks, and it is very pigmented. I used it almost. I have used it almost every day. It's been a week I have been using it, and it's really nice. I'm loving this product. Okay, there are some more makeup products, but they are from Kiko, so I'm thinking to review those products at the end of the video. Before that, I have bought 2 fragrances from Nykaa, and those fragrances are, first one is David of Cool Water. Okay, that's my baby. The first fragrance is from David of Cool Water. I bought the smaller version of it, and it's of 30 ml. I just love this fragrance. I mean, when I was pregnant, this was the only fragrance I could use. All other fragrances used to make me nauseous. This was the only fragrance I could use throughout my pregnancy. So I mean, this fragrance have really, I mean, I'm very emotionally attached to this fragrance. So yeah. Next fragrance is this Body Shop's White Musk. I bought this for my husband. He loves this fragrance. I mean, this is his like 4th bottle or something, and he used this fragrance continuously. He just loves this fragrance, so that's why I bought it for him. Okay, now let's see the Kiko Milano's products. Okay, the first product is this eyeshadow. I really like the packaging of this eyeshadow. This is how the eyeshadow looks like. Look at how beautiful the color of this eyeshadow. This is how the color look like. Okay, it's very pretty. This color is really nice. It's very pigmented, but this color doesn't, it is not that pigmented. I mean, I have swatched it on my hand, but it doesn't, I mean, it doesn't give that color payoff that much. But I really like this upper color. It's really cool. It's really good. It's really shimmery. So I like this one, but not this one as much. And yes, and these Kiko Milano products are really costly. I mean, they are super costly. Okay, so so the next product is this long-lasting lip marker. Okay, honestly, I don't know why I bought this. I don't know how it works, but I really wanted to use something new in the lip color, so that's why I bought this one. So this is the color. It is the color 05, and let's scotch it. So this is how the color looks like. It actually looks like a sketch pen. I haven't used it yet, but I don't know if I like this or not. Honestly, it feels like a sketch pen. I'm little scared to use it on my lips, but I have to use it because it's very costly. So this is how this lip marker looks like. Okay, so the next product is this Kiko's lip gloss. Okay, I have used this. I loved it. It's really nice, and it's very shimmery, and it gives that I mean, it gives that nice shimmery look to the lips, and it's really nice. I love this. That's good. Okay, see how beautiful the color is. It's very beautiful. I really love this. Okay, I like this. Okay, so these are all the products I bought from Nykaa, and I also got some of the products free. So these are the products I got free from Nykaa because I bought so many products from Nykaa. One is this Plum's alcohol free toner. I have used it. It's really nice. Okay, so the next is this Plum's mattifying moisturizer. Used it, loved it. It's really nice. And the third one is this Lakme's foundation. Okay, this is how it looks. I haven't opened it yet. Okay, it doesn't look very promising, honestly. See, I don't know if I'm going to use it. I don't think I will use it. So, but it's free, so let it be. So this is what I bought from Nykaa, and the discounts are still going on Nykaa, so you can take advantage of that discount. And hopefully this video was useful for you, and let me know in the comment section if you like this video. Also share it with your friends, and also like to my video, subscribe to my channel. Till then, see you soon. Bye.